Psychological factory presence. 5 signs you have an attractive personality. When we hear the word attractive, the first thing that probably comes to everyone's mind is physical attractiveness. But think for a moment, have you ever met someone you felt had a beautiful soul? Being attractive comes more from your personality than your appearance, and having an attractive personality is the key to making friends and having lasting relationships. To have an attractive personality, you have to build your inner beauty. With that said, here are 5 clear signs that can make you even more attractive. Let's begin. 1. You are confident. Confidence is considered as one of the key qualities that people like in their partners. Being self-confident is an asset to yourself, and most people find it attractive because it shows that you have high self-esteem. So, people draw towards you because a lot of people want to learn and imitate your energy. Confidence in yourself can also inspire those around you. 2. You have great listening skills. You prefer to hear other people rather than taking conversations. You are actively listening to the other people and periodically ask questions. You are the person who made the conversation a positive experience by making suggestions. When you actively listen to someone, it shows that you care about them. No need to surprise, having great listening skills will make you more appealing and attractive. 3. You have a positive attitude. You are the person who generally looks at life with an optimistic approach. You know, life will throw curveballs at times, and you accept your current situation and keep moving forward. When you show your positive emotions, such as love, kindness, and happiness, you become an inspiration to others. People will generally feel more attracted to you. 4. You have great conversational skills. Keeping a conversation going is an art. When you become the person who gives a great impression when engaging in a conversation with others, makes you attractive among others. The conversation is a two-way street, so your body language, eye contact, and listening skills will help you out to have an engaging conversation. 5. You are authentic. You live your life the way you want to live it according to your terms and rules, but by doing so, you make sure not to hurt anyone else. You show your true self and how you feel. You won't run after popularity and fame. You know what matters most in your life, and you live according to your priorities. These are the 5 signs you have an attractive personality. Thanks for watching. Do support. Take care.